Hi, we are Group A and we're going to show you an informative video about the Archimedes and Bernoulli principle and how it works. Before we tackle Archimedes' principle, let us know what buoyancy is first. Buoyancy is the tendency of an object to float in a fluid. All liquids and gases in the presence of gravity exert an upward force known as the buoyant force on any object immersed in them. Then Archimedes' principle comes in. Archimedes' principle states that a body immersed in a fluid is subjected to an upwards force equal to the weight of the displaced fluid.
An example of that Archimedes principle is this beach ball. If you put a beach ball underwater, there will be a buoyant force pushing it up. And this force will be equal to the weight of a beach ball sized amount of water. If the buoyant force is greater than the object's weight, the object rises to the surface and it will float. As I push down the beach ball into the water, the buoyant force gets stronger.
Bernoulli's principle. The total mechanical energy of the moving fluid comprising the gravitational potential energy of elevation, the energy associated with the fluid pressure, and the kinetic energy of the fluid motion remains constant.
Bernoulli principle example. As you can see, today I'm holding a piece of paper. When I blow under the paper, obviously the paper will go up. And what do you think if I blow over the paper? It will go down or up? Let us see. As I blow over the paper go up because the air on the top is moving faster than the air on the bottom. And also, this faster moving air on the top has a lower pressure than the non-moving air on the bottom. With a greater pressure on the bottom of the paper, there is also greater force pushing up.
We explain how to work and exhibit the Archimedes and Bernoulli principles in our video. I hope you gained some insight from our video, and remember that it is always important to know when something has reached its end. Closing circles, shutting doors, finishing chapters, it doesn't matter what we call it. What matters is to live in the past, those moments in life that are over. By Paulo Coelho. That's what we all